Hey there, everybody. Welcome to Marlow's Mortgage Minute. Andrew Marlow here, breaking down all the real estate and mortgage terms in easy to digest videos. Today, we're going to be talking about using gift funds for your application. So, gift funds can be used on pretty much any loan, but there are different guidelines for each. So, we're going to dive into the three main type of loans and their gift fund guidelines. Without any further ado, let's get it rolling. So, first, we're going to talk about conventional loans. Conventional loans allow gift funds on primary residences and second homes. If it's an investment property, there are no gift funds allowed whatsoever. A gift can be provided by any relative or non-relative with a familiar-like interest in the borrower. The only people that cannot give gifts is interested parties in the transaction. So your seller's agent, your buyer's agent, buyer's one interested parties in the transaction cannot provide gifts, but family, non-relative families can. There are a couple things that we need to look out for. So gift fund for conventional, the main requirement is you're going to need a gift letter, which states that the funds are a gift and there is no repayment necessary. It also states the dollar amount and who's giving it, where's it coming from. And then you have to structure kind of how you're going to give the gift. So most people want to give the gift to the borrower and then the borrower give all the money at the end. That's okay, we can do that. There's a little bit more documentation if you do it that way. The most clean way for conventional to do it is have the donor give the gift directly to the escrow account and then have the escrow apply it to your closing costs. That way you don't have to document anything from the donor except for just the gift letter stating that it's a gift and doesn't need to be repaid. That's pretty much it for conventional. Diving into FHA. FHA loans have a little bit more strict guidelines when it comes to gift funds, but who can give it is basically the same. Here's a list of eligible donors for FHA. It includes anyone from the borrower's family, the borrower's employer or labor union, a close friend with a clearly defined and documented interest in the borrower, charitable organization. One thing to note, it does not include fiancé. So fiancés are not eligible gift donors for FHA. That's something that I've run into a few times, and it always gets kicked back from FHA. So besides that, FHA guidelines are a little bit different than conventional. FHA requires us to get a statement from the donor to show the gift leaving their account, and then it needs to show either the escrow receipt or the deposit in the borrower's account showing it's been sent and it's in there waiting to close. That's one thing that kind of trips up a little bit when donors are giving gifts for FHA. A lot of times they don't like giving that bank statement, but it is a requirement from FHA themselves. Lender's not going to look at the statement. Really, it's just to show that the funds came from there. With FHA and with all the different loan types, everyone's going to require that gift letter that shows it's a gift, no repayment necessary, and who is it coming from. So that's going to be required for both conventional, FHA, and for VA. So for VA, it's a little bit more lax than FHA conventional. All we really need on VA is a gift letter stating the amount, the person giving it, and no repayment is necessary. So a standard gift letter is just needed on VA. Everything else is pretty cut and dry. So that's a really quick breakdown of the main three loan types and the way that they treat gift letters. Conventional, primary, and second home all the time. Investment, no. FHA is allowed, but there's a little bit stricter on who can give it. And VA, it's allowed. Pretty much anybody can give a gift on a VA loan and be good to go. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly. Please like, share, subscribe, send it to everybody you know, and hope you have a great day.